Welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. Today's first job, work on this larch known from previous videos. As I'm watching this tree in my garden for the last few years, I am not satisfied with the upper part of the trunk, which is really straight. So today I want to give it some movement. I will use two different saws for this job and I will show you the details. But first I need to prepare the tree for the procedure. The wire will serve two purposes. It will act as an anchoring point and, of course, bend the branch in the desired direction. Since larch is very dense and has really great ramification, the task is quite complex. A screw will serve as anchor on the trunk. I then run the wire and everything is ready for the procedure. The theory found in books or on the internet suggests that we cut a wedge into the trunk and then bend it to close the gap created. That is the theory. In reality, such a gap cannot be fully closed. That's why I prefer using two saws of different thicknesses. One is 2 mm and the other is 1 mm. First I make an incision in the trunk with the thicker saw and close it by tightening the wire. Then I make another cut in the same place with the thinner saw and again close it by tightening the wire. I repeat the process several times, ensuring that each cut is completely closed. I continue until I am satisfied with the new angle of the trunk. This way I know that the cut will eventually be fully sealed. Finally, I apply cut paste and the procedure is complete. The main goal achieved, the straight line gone. Now the top needs the reconstruction, of course, but I was planning the wiring of the tree anyway. As always, I start wiring from the bottom, beginning with the first branch and continue towards the top. Okay, the top, because I bent the trunk on that side, I already pushed the top back, but now the branches must be rearranged. I will use this branch on this side and I will cut the thick one off, and with that I will avoid the arch. The apex still needs to be wired and reshaped, and then the work will be complete. I put the tree on the stand that you can better see the cascading branch. The upper part of the trunk is now much better than it was before. It has good movement. Of course, the very top must now gain the ramification on that side, but otherwise the tree is developing really nice. Before I put the tree in tokonoma, I just want to invite you to become our member, the member of our channel, and with that you will get the early access to the videos, and of course you will support our channel. And you can do it also with just simply clicking the thanks button below. With bending the trunk and rearranging the top, the time of first public exhibition for this tree is postponed for at least one season or maybe two. But for me, every detail counts, and in the end I can still admire the tree in my tokonoma. Thanks for watching.